Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Not valid or proper license, unregistered motor vehicle, and driving without insurance. That was in warrant status, and then but I'm calling that. And then case number SP 1453534, counts 2 and 3, people that driving with people versus Michael Eric Harris. Names for the record.
Greetings. This for me? This for
the record, Your Honor. Dia Chiku Mason, City Prosecutor, 43471.
Thank you, Ms. Mason. Good.
for and on the record, without prejudice, I, Mikael-Eric Harris, beneficiary and sovereign principal of the Sesquique Trust, am here by special appearance under threat, duress, fraud, coercion, and extortion, not submitting to the court's jurisdiction, fiduciary, all fiduciaries, Ms. Millhouse. There was no crime committed. Failure to present the court a case deprives the court of jurisdiction against Mikael-Eric Harris, beneficiary, being the sovereign principal of the Sesquique Trust, who hereby moves this court to dismiss this complaint filed by the policy officer for failure to present a cause of action or crime, as well as a corpus delicti.
Excuse me, sir, but what in the doohickey are you talking about? You said a whole lot of nothing there, sir.
All right. So, I think we've been through this before. I am not able to process anything unless by a beneficiary. So unless it's the person of Michael Eric Harris present.
This is the beneficiary of the trust. Michael Eric Harris is the trust. I'm the beneficiary of the trust.
Your Honor, please, for heaven's sake, just issue a bench warrant for this man's arrest because he's playing the sovereign citizen stupid games.
This is a Sesquique Trust action. This is a trust action. And
yes,
and also there have been documents and briefs submitted for the court, submitted for the court, for the judge, and also for the prosecutor. The last submission was you have 12 that was submitted, and then you had the last 2. You have a color of law and a corpus delicti that was submitted as well. Everything is in your brief.
Thank you. The court is unable to process or respond or even arraign you on or arraign Michael Eric Harris unless Michael Eric Harris with no colons, no extra, and not a beneficiary and not a trust. The person of, otherwise the court cannot process it. I can't do the arraignment. I can't move it forward. And so at some point on one of these, I think today is a show cause for the these citations. They are not trust actions. But I'll let, I mean, I don't know if Miss Mason wants to weigh in at all, but I'm not able to move forward. Good morning to you though, sir.
Greetings, Miss Millhouse. How are you doing today? Great to see you.
Thank you.
I hope you're having a great day.
Mason, I don't know if you want to weigh in at all, but pardon? I am. Thank you, sir.
This is Chico Mason, City Prosecutor. Your Honor, in regards to this matter, I would probably reaffirm what the court has just stated to Defendant Harrison, that he's not the actual person. This court, at this point, I would recommend that continued arraignment out and even go forward for the arraignment for the arrest of Michael Harris for his failure to appear on these matters.
Yeah, well, I can't hear the back. I hear some back. Oh, wait, that might be you, Miss Mason. The background noise. I forgot about that.
Well, the person that Miss Mason is looking for, she has in her document. This is her person. This is the trust what she's looking for. She has that in her documents, and she has that there. So this is the person that you're looking for.
I still can't believe that these sovereign citizens continuously come into court still trying this line of defense, and it never, ever works. This is absolutely ridiculous.
This is the trust. This is the person you're looking for, and you have that information in your presence. That's the person you're looking for.
Well, sir, because this is not a trust action, the court can't move this process along based on any trust action, and there's no way to dismiss this case unless, I think that might be what is being asked for as well. Yes. There's no legal or constitutional or jurisdictional basis to do so. I can't move it forward. So it just would go into warrant status, and that's where I'd have to leave it. But I appreciate you coming in and stating what you had to say to the court on the record.
Everything is on the record in brief, and I appreciate you. And always, you are one of the best judges I've met, and I appreciate your presence, and I appreciate your honesty and the person that you are, Ms. Millhouse.
Thank you. You take care. I don't know what to call you, but you take care.
Mikael as well.
Yeah.
Beneficiary.
Appreciate it.
All right, you do the same.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mason, dear Mason. Okay.
Okay, so this fool ends this court hearing with a warrant for his arrest, and somehow, in his mind, he thinks that's a victory. More power to you, buddy.